Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use DeepSeek for content creation. So there are various ways you can use it. It can write you scripts, but it can also, for example, create a schedule of posts. It can give you ideas for your posts. It can also tell you what is more CEO friendly and other stuff. So first, let's ask it to generate a schedule for February. So now I have created a prompt, and you can see it gives me the schedule actually, and for each day it gives me something that I should just create for my TikTok account. So it is pretty different. You can see that sometimes it's a car reveal, then lifestyle vlog, car tip Tuesday, then any trendy challenge or something like that. Then for Valentine's, it has made a Valentine's Day special. Then it has created itself a template. So for every Tuesday it makes a car tip Tuesday. Then for every Monday it's a lifestyle vlog. Then for Sundays it is pretty different, but it's always about cars. Then it also has given me some content tips, like about the hashtags, the CTAs that are pretty important on TikTok and other social media platforms. Then, for example, you can select, I don't know, maybe for the car tip Tuesday on February 6th, let's say, write me a script for and now you can see that it has went back to the Tuesday and what it was about. Then it gives me it just gives me the script for that. So the opening hook, then main content, then engagement hook, then CTA, and it actually even provides the seconds in which it should be included. So this is how it looks. You can also use it to, for example, generate descriptions. So now let's ask it to generate a description for that. So now I have asked it about something more to generate a description for that TikTok. So as you can see, it actually has created it, and it has a fact, it has a hashtag, and more, like a CTA. So it also has more hashtags which are CEO friendly. And I think these are the main points you can do on the DeepSeek for managing your content online. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.